Good morning, good day, good night. Behind me, a 70 Chevelle SS, true SS car in Fathom Blue, just the way she was born. This thing's got GM Performance big block under the hood, Tremec 5-speed, Moser 12-bolt. Come along as we go for the grand tour on this new arrival over here. This car was Rotisserie Restored in 2013. This was born a big block SS. It originally had a 396 in it. In 2018, it was given a new lease on life. They did away with that old 396 and they took a motor off the shelf from the fellows over at GM Performance. This is the 502 horsepower, 502 cubic inch big block. It's got aluminum heads, GM Performance aluminum intake, and they did some other nice upgrades. It's got vintage air conditioning, it's got power disc brakes, power steering, everything a man or gal could ever want. Cowl induction hood, ceramic coated long tube headers, and this thing chops. It's really sweet. Now, this was born a Fathom Blue white striped SS. See, it's got wheel arch moldings. It's got 15-inch BFG radial TAs on those SS wheels. Disc brakes beyond there. They got the 502 badging stepped up on the fender. Looks awesome. Beautiful slick paint. Great gaps. Out back, same matching wheel. And we have disc brakes back here too. It's a nice upgrade they did. In case you're wondering, this is a 255 60/15. Out back here we got dual stainless steel tips looking beautiful. I love the stripes on this deck lid too. Smooth action on the deck lid. Seal looks to be in good shape. Original quarter, original wheel tubs, original trunk pan. Really slick car. Plain and simple back here. Now we're gonna cut this thing on for you in a moment and you get to listen to it. Right now we're gonna take in the body and this pretty paint job. Dual mirror car. Ooh, yeah, man. Really slick door edges. Woo. Door cards, it's looking good. There's a little bit of wear on our white paint here. Nothing a little touch up can't fix. So we got SS cards, beautiful bucket seats. So it's got a tilt column. I'm digging the 3-spoke wheel. We have a really sharp looking set of instruments. So it's got the tach, it's got the amp meter, 120 mile per hour speedo, shows 8,400 miles on the clock. We've been told by the previous owner, it's racked up 8,000 since 2013 when it was redone, but there's just about 5,000 on the engine, the trans, the new rear end, and a couple other upgrades they did at that time in 2018. The nice addition of vintage air conditioning. They put a custom auto sound factory looking, but modern radio in here. All nice touches, and look at this. The analog clock is actually working. That is sweet. Climb up in here. Love the full console. They got a 5-speed ball and the 5-speed shift pattern down here. Good looking boot. Hurst comp shifter. Got our little 12-volt socket here. Nice. Ashtray downstairs. Clean glove box. Center console's all factory fresh. And out back, gorgeous seat cover. The top of the seat's in nice shape. We got lap belts for everybody. Package tray looks nice. Got a couple of speakers fitted in there. Sail panel's nice and tight. Headliner nice and tight. Shoulder belt car with a working dome lamp. Also have nice looking visors. Brand new looking mirror. Dash pad's in wonderful shape too. Got our Bluetooth sounds in here. Sounds nice and clear. And the cam they drop in these things just chops so nicely, just hopping along. Indicator up on the dash, that's cool. Clutch feels good, gearbox feels like $1,000,000. Oh yeah. And goes through the gears like butter. She's tracking straight, the alignment's good. You can rolls over a couple bumps quite well. Look how easy this window cranks up. Tach works, speedo works, fuel gauge we know works, amp meter charging, digger. Up into that 5th gear. You could just cruise on the freeway if you need to. Synchronized trans, of course, goes back down through the gears quite easily. Front end feels nice and tight through the turn. These SS cars, obviously they got boxed up trailing arms, heavy duty sway bars. Feels good. This thing's a beast. I love how tastefully it's been upgraded. If you want to know anything more, I can't stop looking at it. If you want to know anything more about it, call us up. It's 248-714-2110. Hit us via email. It's inquiry@lafontaineclassiccars.com. While you're down there clicking around, take a peek at the link in the description. That will bring you to the full listing on our website. We put 100+ pictures up underneath it, pictures of the restoration. This car's got good history with it. It's hot, it's fast, it's sexy, and it's still true to its original roots, I'd say. Big block, Fathom Blue, white buckets, 3 pedals, baby. And with all that said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Make sure you like, subscribe if you wanna see all our latest arrivals, just like old Blue here. We'll see you in the next clip. Bye.